Oh my God, minasang, gutom na talaga ako as in. Kaya wag na natin patagalin to. Kainin na natin tong tatlo na, na binili ko na Fujipang, from Fujipang. Yes, yung nila, yung snack sando. Yung snack sando ng, from Fujipang. Okay? So, let's go to the first. Unahin natin to and talaga gutom na talaga ako. Sana ma-review ko to ng maayos and marang ko to for my personal ranking and my personal review. Dahil baka maghalo-halo no dahil gutom na talaga ako. So, let's go and let's try. Let's eat it.
The Sunatsuku Sando Hamutamago from Fujipan is a classic handheld sandwich snack made with soft white bread and a filling of finely chopped ham and egg. It's part of Fujipan's long-running snack sandwich line, a sealed pocket-style sandwich designed to be portable and mess-free. Flavor and filling taste. The filling combines chopped ham and cooked egg, mild, savory, and familiar. It's not strongly seasoned, so it feels light and comforting rather than bold. Balance. The egg adds a soft, creamy texture, while the ham gives just enough saltiness to keep the flavor from feeling flat. It's simple and straightforward, like a classic kid-friendly sandwich. Portion. Typical of Japanese packaged sandwiches. A modest amount of filling inside soft bread. It's more snack-like than a hefty meal. Bread and texture bread. The white bread is soft, fluffy, and slightly sweet, typical of Japanese snack sandwiches. It's easy to bite into and holds the filling without falling apart. Overall mouthfeel. Gentle and easy, not rich or heavy, making it satisfying for a quick bite but not filling enough if you're very hungry. Pros: convenient and neat. Easy to eat on the go thanks to the sealed format. Mild, comforting flavors. Perfect if you like simple, not overpowering sandwiches. Classic combo. Ham and egg is a timeless mix that hits familiar notes without surprises. Cons. Not bold. If you prefer strong flavors or spicy/sweet profiles, this might feel a bit bland. Light snack only. It's tasty but won't replace a full lunch for most people. Verdict: a solid comfort snack with classic flavors. Soft bread plus mellow ham and egg filling. Ideal for a light breakfast or quick pick-me-up. It's not fancy, but it delivers exactly what it promises. Familiar, easy, and satisfying.
Yung una. Okay. This is the snack sando na hamu tamago. Yes, this is the ham tamago. So the bread, inside the bread, you will makukuha mo dito sa loob nito is yung ham and yung itlog. So your ham and itlog. So okay, tikman natin. First bite and first taste. Wait. Yung bread lang. Yung bread pa lang yung naano ko. So, for me, yung yes, nakakain ko naman yung ham. Yung ham niya, kahit maliit siya, kahit small slicings siya, you can taste the ham na nandyan siya sa loob ng sandwich na to. And the itlog, yung egg is, yes, you can taste the egg and you can taste the, salt. Yes, mafe-feel mo talaga sa tamago, sa hamu tamago yung flavor na may salt talaga yung itlog sa loob niya. So, yes, very simple. This, snack sando is very simple. Siguro, gusto tong ng mga, yes, ng mga bata. Ang mga bata gusto nito. Gusto ng mga bata to. Yung flavor niya, yung itlog niya na may maliit na mga ham sa loob din niya. So, I recommend this to sa mga bata. And rank, yes, because it's for me, it's just a simple, and for me, ito, if you have time, pwede ka lang makagawa ng ganito sa bahay, di ba? It's a simple na na sandwich. But if you wala kang oras, busy ka sa work, or you're yes, you can grab this one, hamu tamago. Why not? Para sa sa break time, no? Okay? So, yes, this rank for me is 3. Yes, this is a 3 for me. Because it's just, it's a simple. It's, masarap siya, pero it's a simple, na masarap. Okay? So, let's go to the next.
The Fujipan Sunatsuku Sando Shi Chicken and Tamago, sea chicken and egg. A classic Japanese snack sandwich that combines soft, fluffy white bread with a creamy mix of tuna-style sea chicken and egg. It's designed as an easy, mess-free pocket sandwich, perfect for a light bite or on-the-go snack. What it is. This is a sealed pocket-style sandwich from Fujipan with a filling made from shai chicken R, tuna-style canned chicken, mixed with chopped egg and a creamy, slightly mayo-like base, all tucked into soft, fluffy white bread. Taste and texture flavor, mild and comforting. The egg gives a creamy, familiar taste, while the shichiken adds a subtle savory fish note without being strong or fishy. Texture. The bread is soft and slightly sweet, a good neutral backdrop for the filling. The filling itself has some body from the egg and bits of tuna-style chicken, with occasional small, crunchy bites of onion. In some recipes. What's good, familiar, and comforting? A classic combination if you like egg and tuna mixes together. Easy to eat on the go. The sealed shape keeps it neat and portable. Good balance. Creamy egg melds nicely with the mild protein. Richer than plain egg alone, but not heavy. Minor downsides. Filling amount. Some reviewers note that the tuna-style chicken can feel a bit light in volume. The filling might be biased toward egg. Not bold. The flavor is pleasant and mild, but won't be exciting if you prefer strong or spicy tastes. Quick verdict. A safe, comforting snack if you enjoy egg-based sandwiches. Soft bread and creamy filling make it a satisfying little bite, though the flavor is gentle and not intense.
Okay, and the next is the other sandwich sando from Fujipan. Yes, another sandwich. Alam mo ba kung ano yung nagugustuhan ko dito? What I like for this this second sandwich is the packaging. Na-in-love talaga ako the packaging of this chicken and tamago. The chicken and tamago snack sando. I really like the packaging. Yes. Yung style niya, yung colors niya, yung pagkagawa ng niya, yung packaging niya, dito ako nagugustuhan. Hindi sa loob. Yes, and okay. Let's try this yes, from Fujipan. Yes, from Fujipan Snaku Sando. And this is the chicken, the shi chicken and tamago. Yes, this is not the chicken. There's written there's shi. So it's shi chicken tamago. Okay, so try natin yung shi chicken and tamago snaku sando from Fujipan. And this is my first time mag-try ng shi chicken and tamago. Yes, this is my first time. So first bite and first taste for this. Wow. Masarap. Yes, masarap siya. Yung combination ng itlog, the egg, and the chicken is sila, swak. Yes, swak sila. Swak yung combination nito. Yes, for me, this is sa mga mas gusto to ng mga kaedad ko. Hindi mas gusto to ng mga siguro mga yung mga mama and papa. So feel ko gusto nila to yung mga utuna na yung na hindi mas mas recommended sa mga may mga edad na. So ganun na lang. Sa mga may edad na, so I know this is right for you. Especially it's break time. Especially naghahanap kayo for the lunch na hindi nyo gusto kumain ng rice or mga heavy lunch. This is good for the lunch na yes, na hindi gusto kumain ng heavy lunch. So this is right option for you. So yes, the egg and the chicken, it's very the scrambled egg and the chicken paired with the chicken, the scrambled egg. It's for me, it's a good combination. It's for me, for my review, it's good, and yan lang masasabi ko for this. Yes. Then for me, because swak siya sa edad ko, I'll rank this 4. Yes, rank 4 this is rank 4 for me. And yes, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next and the last one. Okay, let's go. Let's move on.
Teriyaki chicken and taru taru combines a sweet savory teriyaki style chicken filling with creamy tartar sauce inside the classic soft sealed white bread that snack sandwiches are known for. The teriyaki taste is noticeable and gives a familiar sweet glaze vibe, while the tartar adds a tangy richness that stands up well against the sauce. Texture and bread. Just like other snack sandwich variants, the bread is soft, fluffy, and slightly sweet. A nice neutral base that doesn't overwhelm the filling. The sealed edges make it a convenient grab-and-eat snack without mess. What's good balanced combination? Sweet teriyaki and creamy tartar play well together, richer and more flavorful than plain mayo versions. Easy snack size. Great for a quick breakfast, lunch side, or afternoon pick-me-up. What to expect, moderate filling amount. Like many snack sandwich products, the filling isn't super heavy. It's tasty but not a full meal on its own. Comfort food level. This isn't gourmet. It's familiar comfort food flavor in a convenient format. Quick summary taste. Sweet savory teriyaki plus tangy tartar. A more interesting combo than simple mayo sandwiches. Texture. Soft, fluffy bread with a flavorful but not overpowering center. Best for light snack or quick bite when you want something richer than plain egg or ham but still easy to eat.
So okay, let's proceed for the last one. And this will be the last I will taste for this video, okay? And of course, from Fujipan Company. And this all bread like this from Fujipan, they call this the Snaku Sando. Yes, maybe it's because Snaku Sando because you can grab this as your snacks. Yes, your oyatsu, you can try this for your snacks. And yes, madali lang siyang bilhin, madali ilagay sa bag, and yes, of course, madali rin din kainin, no? So, kaya siguro, snack sando. But for me, I will eat this today as my lunch. Yes, lunch natin ngayon dahil gutom na ako. I grab this, snack sando from Fujipan. Okay, and this is the last one. This is the last, and this is called the, parang dito, bago to sa akin, yes? So, this is called the teriyaki chicken and taru-taru. So, it's a teriyaki chicken and tartar. Taru-taru. So, we expect inside, yes, you can look it inside. We will expect what inside of this yes, the chicken of course, and the taru-taru, and the teriyaki flavor, the teriyaki aji. So yes, first bite and first taste for this. This is my first time also. Okay, let's go. Wow. Yes. Yes. This is the perfect of my my lunch today. This is the one. This is the one I will expected today as my lunch. That will give me satisfaction. That will give me na mabusog yung tiyan ko for today's lunch. I'm really happy. My happiness. Ano na naman? Lumipad na naman yung yung happiness ko. Okay. Hindi ko na matigilang kumain hanggang maubos ito. Ayaw ko nang magsalita, kundi kain na lang nito ng kain hanggang maubos to. No more review. No, it's a joke. So, yes, for me, review. Do I need to review? It's rank 5 for me. Yes. For me, this teriyaki chicken and taro-taro is perfect for my lunch. So, I will give you 5 this time. So, hindi siguro dahil gutom ako, no? No, it's not. Pag ko lang kanya sa kanina, yung pag-cut ko ng bread, pag-cut ko ng ganon, pag ganon, sa bread nito, naamoy ko na yung laman. Yes, the smell comes, lumabas agad yung baho ng, yung amoy ng smell ng isang, manok na may dalang, teriyaki, chicken, ng amoy na ganon. Yung amoy ng teriyaki. Yes. Lumabas agad siya din. Doon ko na feel na this is the one ngayon. Ito yung feel ko masarap sa tatlo. No? So, nandun yung nandun yung ramdam na to. Siya ang ngayon sa akin. Yung rank 5 sa akin. So, this is new to me and yes, kahit sa matanda siya, sa bata siya, you are galing ka ng work mo, ganon. Siguro ito, pag ito kinain mo, stress reliever. Yes, mamawala yung agad ang stress nito pag siya yung tinikman mo. Yes, and for me, yung yung manok niya sa ilalim because bagay lang yung chicken spread, yung parang ganon, yung bagay lang yung palaman niya sa ilalim, yung cutting ng manok. Yes, the cutting of manok is very, very, slice talaga siya na maliit. And, yung spread ng taro-taro, yes, the flavor is perfect. Perfect sa balance nilang, the chicken, the teriyaki chicken, the taro-taro is very perfect. Yeah. Very perfect siya sa lunch. Bagay siya sa lunch mo. Ito lang or may mainom ka na, wala na. On to go ka na para trabaho ulit. Very satisfying. This teriyaki chicken and taro-taro from Fujipan, the Snaku Sando. Yes. Wow. Siya lang inubos ko. Sa tatlo, siya lang inubos ko. Dahil for me, it's a rank 5. Naubos ko agad. So, yes. Kayo ba? Nakatry na ba kayo nito? Yes. Nakatry na kayo? Dito sa Japan, itong Fujipan na bread sa Japan is na-try nyo na ba to? Yung ganitong bread na snaku sando. Yes, yung ganito na bread from Fujipan. Did you try it in Japan? How was it? So, do you have any comment? Do you have any reaction? Do you have, what's your first impression nung nag-try kayo nito? So, I would like to know that, and please write in the comment and I will always reply you. And I'm gladly na if mag-comment ka dyan and we have conversation down there in the comment section. I really appreciate that. And yes, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe ngayon, please mag-subscribe ka na this year. Wag mo na palampasin to. Wag mo na i-next year ang ang pag-subscribe sa akin. Okay? So, I hope na mag-subscribe ka if hindi pa. Okay? So, if ayaw mo naman, it's okay for me and I'm waiting for you na mag-subscribe ka. And please, like and comment down below. Okay? So, yes, for this video, it's about Fujipang Snako Sando. Yes, and this is my first time doing this review, doing this kind of video na to from Fujipang. And yes, I really love doing like this video. If you're interesting like this, it's in Japan. Yes, of course, in Japan only. And if you're interesting, if you na-enjoy mo or natatawa ka or na-happy ka, I give you happiness, I give you joy. So, dyan ka lang and manood ka lang always sa mga video ko, and I will upload more like this content in this channel. Okay? And this channel, of course, called the Japanuji Think Japan. Yes, it's only in Japan content. So, if love mo ang Japan, why not? Diba? So, I will wait for you to subscribe. Okay? And yes, yan lang. Okay, yan lang for the video today. And before I forget, hindi lang tatlo, okay? Hindi lang tatlo. It's not only 3 items you can buy Fujipang Snako Sando. There's a lot. You can also buy this not dessert, a sweet type of Snako Sando, like the strawberry type, strawberry flavor. You have the peanuts and yeah, a lot more. So I hope if you maggrocery ka or you going to supermarket of some supermarket in Japan, I hope na you grab the chance kung may mga bago na ganito or gusto mo mag-try dahil na watch mo tong video ko. I hope na yes, grab the chance na mag-try sa mga Snako Sando na especially and on the work ka, mabilis lang kainin to sa lunch mo. Yes, mabilis lang kainin and no hassle. You can grab this one and eat to your lunch or your oyatsu, your snacks, and I know ma-enjoy mo sila dahil maraming kind of Fujipang na mga bread diyan sa mga mga grocery sa mga supermarkets. Okay? So the price is not that expensive. Yes, mga ganitong mga pagkain, mga bread in Japan is not expensive. You can afford sa sweldo mo. Sa bulsa mo, it's okay because you can afford. It is only cost, this one is only 100, sa pagbili ko ngayon, this is only 100 hachien. It's only yaku hachien. So, 108 yen in a Japanese monies. Yaku hachi yen lang ito ang one item. So, why not? Di ba? Why not? I-try mo para ka mabusog. Para ka mabusog and ma-enjoy mo tong ganito na mga pagkain sa Japan and mga bread. So, yes, that's all for today's video, guys. Minasang, that's all for today. And, yes, wag kalimutan. Don't forget, guys, I have a lot of videos, edition like this, reviewing or the kanang mga bagong edisyon, mga new release na mga pagkain here in Japan, and simple lang, yung kaya lang sa bulsa ko, yung mga ginagawa ko na ganitong na video. If gusto mo, minasang, if you want to try, please watch my other video about the edition, the new release, mga food, mga ganito in Japan. I hope na i-watch nitong mga next, yes, itong mga next na video dito. I hope you will watch this, and yes, of course, I will see you there.